All right, so the story that we are going to work with is I See Fish, and it is a book about a variety of fish and their colors. Before we get started, I'm going to show you a few sight words, and I want to see if you know them, okay? So, let's see if you know this sight word. I'm going to give you a few seconds while I go find a different dry erase marker to tell me what that sight word is. All right, that sight word is I. Remember, sight words are words that you just need to be able to know and pop out because they're words that you can't necessarily decode. Here is another sight word. Let's see if you know this one. All right, 1, 2, 3. That sight word is see. See is the sight word. All right, let's try one more. All right. Can you see what that sight word is? That sight word is can. Now, can is a sight word that you can actually decode. It's a consonant, vowel, consonant word, and it will have a short vowel, so we give it a breathe. So we have ka, ka, Bring it together, we get can. All right. So now I'm going to show you some words that you're going to come across that are going to be new vocabulary words for you, okay? And, you know, sometimes if we chunk words out, it can make it easier for us to decode them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chunk, well, first let's code our vowels, consonants, and vowels. Right, and so I'm going to chunk it so that I have the CVC pattern right beside each other. So I have, let's try shoro, j. So we have orange, orange. Sometimes you have to flip around your vowels to make it have a little bit more sense. Or, oh, let's try that. Orange. Orange. So sometimes even when you decode words, it may not make as much sense as they usually would. Here is another one. Let's see. Ooh, I love this word because this word has something very special in it. This word has a digraph, and with a digraph, we always underline it if it's a word that we don't know. And this digraph, sh, makes the sound sh. So we have ish. And we know that this is going to be a short I because it's between two consonants and there's no vowel after it. So we have ish, fish. Great job. All right, so we are going to move on to our story now. I See Fish, and it is written by Don L. Curry. Can you see fish? I can see an orange fish. I can see a blue fish. I can see a red fish. I can see a yellow fish. I can see a green fish. I can see a purple fish. What fish can you see? Ooh, so I want to notice a few things about this book. I want to see if you noticed something about these punctuation marks. Remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter and a sentence always ends with a punctuation mark. Punctuation marks can be question marks, they can be periods, and exclamation points, but I don't see any exclamation points. I noticed that there are very many periods and question marks. I'm going to say this sentence and this sentence, and I want you to see if my voice changes when I say the two based on the punctuation mark. I can see a purple fish. What fish can you see? Do you notice how there's a little bit of inflection at the end, meaning my voice goes up a little bit? All right, whenever there's a question mark. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want to look and see which fish have stripes. Ooh, this fish has stripes. How many stripes does this fish have? I see 1, 2, 3. Who does he look like? Nemo. All right. Ooh, this fish has stripes too. He has 1, 2, 3, and I can see a fair little one. So 1, 2, 3 plus 1 light one is 4. Ooh, this one doesn't really have a stripe. Let's see. Ooh, they have scales. All right. Now I'm going to show you one other word, and I want to see if you can tell me what word this is. This is a sight word as well. Who can guess what the sight word is? If you know it, go ahead and tell me. All right, we have digraph WH, and it makes the sound wa. Now, we could try and do breathe and see if that makes sense. Wa, at, what? Well, not quite. Now, we can try and make this a schwa, a. W, a, t, w, a, t. What? That makes sense. What? Now, this is a sight word because it is a little bit difficult if you do try and code it. So this is one that you should be able to just pop right out. And I'm going to show you another sight word. Tell me if you know it. If I were to try and decode this, I would chunk it right here. And I would say pa, p, p, purple. But this is a sight word, so you should be able to just knock it right out of the park. All right.